Hi friends, welcome to Learning Spark. In this video, we are going to learn geometry. We'll learn the types and measurements of angles. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button for more such videos. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with understanding what are parallel lines. Okay. So these two lines here, they never meet each other. Okay. If you extend these two lines in this direction, they will never meet. If you extend these two lines in this direction, they will never meet. So such lines are called parallel lines. You have seen railway tracks, the two rail lines that are going parallel to each other, they never meet. So those are examples of parallel lines. Okay. Now you see these two lines. These two lines have met each other. Okay. There is an intersection. This is called the intersection of these two lines. And that is why this is not parallel. These are not parallel lines. Okay. Now, these two lines, for example, these two line segments here, are they parallel or not parallel? Okay. If you want to understand it, you have to see whether you extend these two lines, they will meet at any one of the direction or not. So if you extend these two lines in this direction, will they meet? If yes, then these are not parallel lines. Or if you extend in this direction, will they meet? If the answer is yes, then also this is not parallel line. In this case, if you extend in this direction, they will go and meet here, right? These two lines will meet in this point. And that is why these are not parallel lines. Now, you see that these two non-parallel lines, they have formed a corner here. Okay, this corner. Such corners are called angles. Okay, this is an angle formed between these two lines. Now we will learn how these angles are measured. Okay, and different types of angles. So let's start. Okay, we start with two lines. One is blue and one is green. Okay, and these two lines you see that overlapping each other. Okay, first the blue line is there, then the green line is there. So there's no angle that is formed between them. That is why we are calling that the angle is zero here. Angle is zero. And the sign that you are seeing here, this is called degree. Degree is the unit of measurement for angles. Okay, so we measure angle by degree. Just like we measure length by meter, we measure say weight by kilogram or gram. Similarly, we measure angle with degree. Okay, and degree, the sign of degree is like this. Okay, now let's see the green line starts moving. The one side of the green line is fixed here, but the other side starts moving. So it forms an angle, right? These two line, they are intersecting at this point and there is a corner formed. Okay, so there is an angle that is formed. So this kind of angle is called acute angle. We will come to the acute angle a little bit later, but see this line starts moving. This line continues to move, okay, and it goes here. You see now it is standing on the blue line. It is as if it is standing on the blue line, right? So this kind of lines are called perpendicular line. This line and the green line and blue line are called perpendicular to each other, perpendicular lines. And the angle that is formed, okay, in between these two lines, this is called 90-degree angle. Okay, when they are standing, on top of each other, the angle that is formed between them is called 90-degree. The measurement is 90-degree. Okay. Now you see this angle, right? So this angle, you can see it is greater than 90-degree, right? It is 90-degree plus it has moved this much. 90-degree is there plus it has moved more. So this is more than 90-degree. Now let's go back to the previous one. Okay, this angle is less than 90 degree, right? This angle is less than because it has not reached here. It has not stood up on this blue line yet. So this is less than 90 degree. Okay, so any angle that is less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. Okay, any angle that is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. 180 degree is basically when this line is kind of sleeping. Okay, these two line, they are, it looks like they are sleeping. The one line is this direction, the other line is this direction, and they are meeting at this point. Okay, so this is called straight angle or 180 degree angle. Okay, this is basically 90 degree and another 90 degree, 90 degree plus 90 degree, which is 180 degree. Okay, this is called straight angle. Now this angle is less than straight angle. It has not reached here, but it is more than right angle. Okay, such angle is called obtuse angle. This is called obtuse angle. Okay, now we have got straight angle. The next one is straight angle, which is 180 degree. Now it crosses 180 degree. It is even more than 180 degree. So 90 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and it is more than that. Such angle is called reflex angle. Okay, so it keeps rotating. The green line keeps rotating. It is still reflex angle. When it reaches here, it is still reflex angle, and finally it merges again. It merges again like this. Okay, but now we are measuring the angle outwards. We are measuring the whole angle like this. Okay, we are not measuring the angle which is in between these two. We are measuring the angle all the way around like this. This is called complete angle. Okay, we are rotating the whole of, like a circle, we are rotating the whole circle. That is called complete angle or 360 degree angle. Okay, so let's revise this. So 90 degree angle is when the lines are standing on each other, which is right angle, and these lines are called perpendicular line. And such kind of angle is represented like this, like a square. And anything which is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree, of course, more than 0 degree, some angle exists, but it is not yet right angle. This is called acute angle. Like 30 degree, 60 degree. 30 is less than 90, 60 is less than 90 but more than 0. So all these angles will be acute angle. Then straight angle. Straight angle is 180 degree, as I said, 90 degree plus 90 degree. Okay, which is these two lines, the angle formed between this line and this line. This is obtuse angle, which means it is more than 90 degree, it is more than right angle, but it is less than straight angle, right? It is less than straight angle. It has not reached here yet, but it has moved more than the right angle. This is called just like 120 degree. 120 is more than 90 but less than 180. 150 is also more than 90, less than 180. Then you have got reflex angle, which is more than 180 and less than 360. More than 180 means more than this slipping line, right? So these two lines form an angle which is 90 degree plus 90 degree, 180 degree. This is more than 180 degree. Okay, like 210 is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So 210 is a reflex angle, 270 is a reflex angle. And finally, complete angle, which means we are rotating a complete circle and coming back to the same position. The angle that will be formed like this is called 360 degree angle. Okay. Hi friends, if you like this video, please press on the like button and please do not forget to share it with your friends. For more such videos, press on the subscribe button of the channel and then press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.